I wholeheartedly would recommend Gong for a couple reasons, but the biggest of which is just that investing in your salespeople means helping them get better, and the way they get better is by hearing from you. It's by giving them feedback and making sure that they've got things to work on. I think for me, it's given me confidence that the quality of our sales process has consistently gone up. At our team, we really believe in employee engagement and this concept of getting the most out of your people. And one of the things we preach here is continual improvement, and that this belief that everyone should always be trying to be better. For our company to achieve its goals, every single one of us every single day has to get better. I'm trying to get better too. So 2 weeks ago, I recorded myself doing a sales meeting, shared that link out to the rest of the team, asked them to do for me the same thing that I do for them. And it creates this environment that it's not about hearing what you do wrong, it's about this pursuit of trying to be excellent. And that's the thing that we're after here, and that's how we believe you can get the most out of the people on your team. So in the past, when a sales rep would start, step one would be they'd run the first 5 meetings shadowing me, right? But now I've got access day one to give them an entire bank of all the best calls that we've ever done, all the different scenarios, all the competitors. And so this last rep who just started 2 weeks ago, right, he was able to come in day one, listen to 40 sales calls, right? So he knows the product backwards and forwards, gave a demo at the end of his first week, ran his first sales call a weekend. It's something that used to take a month at our team. Now we're doing within 7 days. So we're really encouraged about that and how it's going to impact our onboarding process too.